Uncle Poger Lives for Work, written by Jerome K. Jerome, Part 2. In our first part, we were reading Poger is a funny character who often does the things wrong by himself and blames other for his mistakes. So, in the previous part, when Uncle Poger was about to move for the hall, Aunt Maria, everybody gathered in the house to say goodbye to Uncle Poger. But at the last moment, it would be seen that one of the children from the house was missing, and in order to find the missing one, everyone in the house were scattered here and there and making a loud cry of excitement in the house to search the missing one. Now, let us begin from the page number 60. Now, the family members were searching for the one another, and within this time my uncle Poger find his umbrella but lose his hat. Now the next paragraph. Now once again all the family members assembled, means gathered in the room, and that time clock in their room began to strike 9. And when the clock possessed a clear melodious ringing sound, or when it strikes 9, Uncle Poger confusion increases. And with this excitement, he would kiss some of the children 2 times and forget to kiss others whom he had not kissed. So, once again, he had to begin and kiss one by one, but he never admitted his fault and said that he had done that thing for a purpose. Now the last paragraph of this story. Now make this story more dramatic when the things is going smoothly. The elder boy of the house would come and tell about a false story that all the clocks of the house were being 5 minutes late or slow. This makes Uncle Podger panic, and he rushed quickly towards the gate where he had remembered that he had forget his bag and his umbrella. And listening to this once again, all the children of the house searching for his hat and umbrella. Two children were searching for the umbrella, and other children were searching for the bag all around the house. And finally, when Uncle Podger left the house for the station and the family members returned back in the house, they all find the newspaper that was lying in the table which Uncle Podger had left it. He had forgotten to take the newspaper, and now you know what will happen when he came back home. So, this is the climax of the story. Uncle Podger Lives for Work. So, it's a funny and interesting story. Please read the story, and I will send you the question and answer in your WhatsApp. So, be safe, be at home. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.